In question 18 we're asked to solve the simultaneous equations. So what we'll do for now is we'll call the first equation number 1, the second equation number 2. And what we need to do is we need to find a way that either this term can cancel out or this term can cancel out. Now the easiest way to ensure that one of these two terms cancels out is that you multiply everything in equation 1 by one of these numbers and everything in every term in number 2 by one of these, and I'll explain exactly how you do that to make it a bit more clear. So essentially I decide artificially, okay, these are the terms that I'm going to try to have cancel out. So in that case then what I need to do, I need to multiply number 1 by what's the coefficient of y, 10, and I need to do equation 2 and multiply that by 7, and you'll see exactly why we do that when we actually do the multiplication. So doing 1 by 10, we get 4x times 10 is 40x, plus 7y times 10 is 70y, and 1 times 10 is 10. The bottom one then we're going to multiply by the 7, so 3x times 7 is 21x, plus 10y times by 3 times by 7 is 70y, and then 15 times by the 7 is 105. Now again, keeping the numbering the same, so this is still number 1 and this is still number 2, what we do then is we minus from number 1, we minus number 2. And if we do that, 40x minus 21x, so that gives us 19x, 70y minus 70y, well obviously that cancels out then, and that's what we were hoping to do, and 10 minus 105 gives us minus 95. So rearranging that for x, we get that x is equal to minus 95 divided by 19, and that means that x is equal to minus 5. Now we're not finished there because we need to work out the value of y, so what we do is we substitute this value of x into either one of the equations. It honestly doesn't matter, so I'm going to substitute that into 1. So then what we get is 4, so x is now minus 5 times by minus 5 plus 7y equals 1. So that means that 7y equals 1, and this 4 times by minus 5 will give us minus 20, but when we take it over to the other side we'll get plus 20, so that will become 1 plus 20, which is 21. So we have that 7y equals 21, y equals 21 over 7, which is 3. So therefore our answer is x equals minus 5 and y equals 3.